Namaste. Welcome to First PU Maths online class. In the last class, we have derived one formula or one derivation. What is that? Cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Correct? Using that formula or using that result, we will solve some more formulas today. Okay, first let us recall the formulas we studied so far. Okay, what is the first identity we studied? Hope you made the list. Correct? On the list ಮಾಡಿ formulas ಇನ್ನು full formulas ಬರ್ತದೆ next. Okay, here first one, what is the first one we have studied? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. First identity or first formula we studied. Standard table ಎಂದು ಬರೆಯುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. Standard angles of sin and cos values. Okay, then one more we have sin 2n pi plus x is equal to sin x where n belongs to z. Correct? Similarly, we have cos 2n pi plus x, that is equal to cos x where n belongs to z. One more we have, this is very important, sin of minus x. What is sin of minus x? Sin of minus x is minus sin x, and cos of minus x is cos x. One more formula we derived in the last class. What is that? Cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This one we derived in the last class. Okay, using these formulas we will derive some more formulas. We have cos of x plus y. Okay, suppose we have cos of x minus y, cos of x minus y. Here this formula is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Let us see how this one comes. Okay, see, we have cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Correct? This one we have. Here, same in the fourth formula, just replace y by minus y. Okay, replace y by minus y. Replace y by minus y in the fourth formula. Okay, in fourth formula, what is that becomes? Cos of x plus, in place of y we have to put minus y. Cos x plus, instead of y we have to put minus y. This is equal to cos x, instead of y we have to put minus y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is equal to cos x into, what is cos of minus y? We have cos of minus x is cos x, so cos of minus y is cos y. Okay, minus sin x into sin of minus y. Sin of minus y is minus sin y. See, sin of minus x is minus sin x. So, sin of minus y is minus sin y. Minus into minus becomes plus. So, sin of minus y is minus sin y. Hope you clear this. See, minus. Sin of minus y is minus sin y. So, minus into minus becomes plus. I will write in next step. Cos x cos y minus into minus becomes plus sin x sin y. Okay. So, this formula cos of x minus y, cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 5 + 1. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ sometimes this question may be asked. Okay, derive cos of x plus y is equal to this one. This we have done in the last class, and hence find this also. So you have to do like this. Okay, here just replace y by minus y, that's all. Okay, now next one, cos of pi by 2 minus x, cos of pi by 2 minus x, that is equal to sin x. Next formula, we'll see how it comes. Okay, cos pi by 2 minus x, this is in which form? Which formula we can apply here? We can apply the formula cos of x minus y. Correct? What is the formula we have? We have cos of x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Here in the fifth formula, okay, I will write the formula. Cos of x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, here what we have to replace here? Replace x by pi by 2. Instead of x we have pi by 2, and y by, instead of y we have x. Replace x by pi by 2 and y by x. Okay, what is that? Value becomes cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to, apply my formula. Okay, instead of x we have to put pi by 2 and y we have to put x. Okay, cos x ನ ಬದಲು pi by 2, cos pi by 2 into cos y. Instead of y we have to put x plus sin pi by 2 into sin, instead of y we have to put x. This is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y formula. Cos pi by 2 cos x plus sin pi by 2 sin x. What is cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 is 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. Correct? Cos 90 degree is 0. So, see, cos 90 degree is 0. So, this full term reduces to 0. Now, what is remaining here? This is equal to What is the value of sin pi by 2? Sin pi by 2 is 1. Correct? 1 into sin x, that is sin x. So the formula cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Okay? Cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Next one. Let us see in case of sin. Sin pi by 2 minus x, this is equal to cos x. We'll see how come. Sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus x. Which formula we can apply here? Here, sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to this one we have to derive. Okay? What is sin x we have? See once in the sixth identity. Okay? In the sixth identity, what we have? Sin x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay? Here we have pi by 2 minus x. Okay? See, we have the formula, sixth one, sin x equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x. Okay? In the same formula, replace x by pi by 2 minus x. Okay? Replace x by x in the place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ x by pi by 2 minus x ಎಂದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. Here we are checking how this comes. Okay? Now replace x by pi by 2 minus x. What is this becomes now? Here sin x equal to, we have this formula, sin pi by 2 minus x. Instead of x, we have pi by 2 minus x. Okay? So illiyu x in the place alli pi by 2 minus x baribeku. Sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus, instead of x, we have to write pi by 2 minus x. Okay? Hope you got this. Sin x equal to, we have formula cos pi by 2 minus x. In the same formula, just replace x by pi by 2 minus x. Okay? x in the place alli pi by 2 minus x ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ sin of pi by 2 minus x equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x in the place alli pi by 2 minus x. Now, pi by 2 cancels here. Minus into minus becomes plus. So, it becomes cos x. This much. Sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Okay. Next one. Let us see sin of x plus y. What is sin of x plus y? We'll derive the formula. Apply same formula here. Sin of x plus y, instead of x, okay, instead of x, replace, same formula apply ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, sin x equal to cos pi by 2 minus x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ we have to replace x by x plus y. Angle is x plus y. So replace x by x plus y. Replace x by x plus y in sixth identity or sixth formula, that is equal to sin of x plus y, sin of x plus y equal to sin of x plus y equal to what it becomes, cos of, same formula, pi by 2 minus x. X in the place only we have to put x plus y. Okay, now it can be written as cos of, just rearrange ಮಾಡಿ, pi by 2 minus x ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, then minus 1. Now what is this equal to? We have, this is in the form of cos of x minus y form. Okay, cos of x minus y form. What is the formula cos of x minus y? Cos x, we have cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Cos, first one, pi by 2 minus x, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This is equal to, what is cos pi by 2 minus x? Cos pi by 2 minus x, we have formula, correct? Cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. So this is sin x cos y plus, what is sin pi by 2 minus x? Sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x into sin y. This is the formula for sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now one more, sin of x minus y. To find sin of x minus y, we have sin of x plus y. Just replace, what we have to replace here? Replace y by minus y in the formula. Which one? In 8th formula. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಬೈ 1 2 3. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಸೊ ಐ ರೋಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, here formulas are very very important. Make a list of that. Okay, these formulas are very very important. Sin of x minus y, just replace y by minus y. What it becomes? Sin of x plus y in the place alli minus y hakidre we will get same x minus y, correct? See, sin x cos of minus y plus cos x sin of y in the place only minus y. So this is equal to sin x cos of minus y is cos y, cos of minus y is cos y plus cos x into sin of minus y is minus sin y. So what it becomes? Sin x cos y plus into minus becomes minus cos x sin y. This is the formula of sin of x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, now we have sum of angles in terms of sin and cos. Similarly, difference of angles. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು cos of x plus y ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ we can use the formula cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. x minus y ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. sin x plus y ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ we can use this formula sin x minus y ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ we have to use this formula. Okay, now we have some more. Let us derive that. Using these formulas we have to derive other formulas. These are the main basic formulas. Okay, now hope 9th ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ numbers ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then next one sin pi minus x. We see what is this? What is the formula we have to apply? This is in which form? Sin x minus y. Correct? What is the formula we have? Sin of x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x minus cos x sin y. Apply here. Sin of pi minus x is equal to, instead of x we have to put pi, instead of y we have to put x. Okay, sin pi cos, instead of y we have to put x, minus cos x we have cos pi sin x. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. What is the value of sin pi? Value of sin pi is 0. Okay, so full term reduces to 0. What about cos pi? Cos pi value is minus 1. Correct? Cos pi is minus 1. So this is 0 minus 1 into sin x. So this is equal to minus into minus becomes plus. So this is equal to sin x. So sin of pi minus x. Sin of pi minus x is equal to sin x. Okay, let us see in terms of cos. Cos pi minus x. Cos pi minus x is equal to minus cos x. Let us verify. Which formula we have to use? Cos of pi minus x. This is in the form of cos of x minus y form. That is cos of x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x cos sin x sin y. Apply ಮಾಡಿ. Cos of pi minus x is equal to, instead of x we have to put pi, instead of y we have to put x. Cos pi cos y plus sin pi sin x. What is cos pi? Cos pi is here, sorry, instead of y we have x, right? Okay, cos pi value is minus 1, okay, into cos x, that is minus cos x. Sin pi is 0, 0 into any value, that is 0. So cos pi minus x is cos minus pi minus x is minus cos x. Then we'll see what is pi plus x. Sin pi plus x, that is minus sin x. We'll verify this. Which formula we can use here? Sin of x plus y form. What is this? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now apply sin of pi plus x. Here this one formula we have, okay. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದದ್ದು. ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, sin pi plus x. What is this? Sin pi cos x. Instead of x we have to put pi. Instead of y we have to put x. Plus cos pi sin x. Now this is equal to, what is sin pi? Sin pi value is here, sin pi 0. So 0 into cos x is 0 plus cos pi is minus 1. Minus 1 into sin x is minus sin x. Okay. Now here we have to mention, ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 0 into cos x plus minus 1 into sin x, that is same as minus sin x. Then cos of pi plus x. Cos of pi plus x is minus cos x. We'll verify which formula we have to use here. This is in the form of cos of x plus y form. Okay, cos of x plus y form. What is that? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y form. Okay, now what is this is equal to? Cos of pi plus x equal to cos pi, instead of x pi, instead of y x, cos pi cos x minus sin pi sin x. What is cos pi? Cos pi is minus 1 into cos x. Sin pi is 0, so minus 0 into any value, that is 0, that is equal to minus cos x. Okay. formulas. Okay, now one more we have cos 2 pi minus x, cos 2 pi minus x, which formula we have to use? Cos of x minus y, that is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, now this is equal to cos of 2 pi minus x. What is this equal to? Cos 2 pi into cos x plus sin 2 pi into sin x. X in a badalu 2 pi, instead of y we have to put x. What is the value of cos 2 pi? Cos 2 pi value is 1. So 1 into cos x is cos x. What is sin 2 pi? It is 0. So the value is cos x. Okay. One more we have sin 2 pi minus x, that is equal to minus sin x. We'll verify now. Which formula we have to use? Sin, this is in the form of sin x minus y, that is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This is equal to, we have to use this formula, sin of 2 pi minus x is equal to, instead of x replace 2y, instead of y x. Okay, sin 2 pi into cos x minus cos 2 pi here into sin x. This is equal to, what is sin 2 pi? Value is 0. 0 into cos x is 0 minus cos 2 pi is 1. So here this value is 1. 1 into sin x is sin x. So this is minus sin x. Okay, these are the formulas of alloyed angles, that is in different quadrant, how it changes in different quadrants. No need to by heart this. Ella formula by heart ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. I will tell how to remember or how to change the function value. Okay, see, here we have 4 quadrants, correct? First, second, third and fourth quadrant. First quadrant, the value is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, second quadrant pi by 2 to pi, third quadrant pi to 3 pi by 2, fourth quadrant 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. 0 to 90 degree, 90 degree to 180 degree, 180 to 270 degree, 270 to 360 degree. Okay, now the value is pi by 2 minus x. See what we have derived? sin pi by 2 minus x. Then similarly in terms of cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, then sin pi by 2 plus x. Then what we have derived? Sin pi minus x. Then sin pi plus x. Then sin 2 pi minus x. Correct? Sin pi by, in terms of cos pi by 2 plus x. Here cos pi minus x, cos of pi plus x, then cos of 2 pi minus x. Okay, this one we derived. Correct. Now see how can we get right hand side, how it changes, function value ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is the value? 0 to pi by 2. For one rotation I am here, for one rotation we are doing here 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 is the first quadrant. The value is pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ that comes in first quadrant. Okay, pi by 2 ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ it comes in first quadrant. In the second quadrant pi by 2 ಇಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, that is pi by 2 minus x comes in second quadrant. And here we have pi ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ it also comes in second quadrant. Okay, what about in the third quadrant? Greater than pi, that is pi plus x. Pi plus x comes in third quadrant. Similarly 3 pi by 2 minus x, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರೆ it will comes in third quadrant. What about here? 3 pi by 2 plus x comes in fourth quadrant, or full ಒಂದು complete revolution 2 pi. 2 pi ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 pi minus x will come in first quadrant. Okay, again for one more rotation 2 pi plus x ಆದರೆ ಪುನಃ first quadrant ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, now what is the sign? In the first quadrant all are positive. In the second quadrant sign is positive. In the third quadrant tan is positive. That means both sin and cos are negative. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. Okay, fourth quadrant cos is positive. Now see, in the first quadrant all are positive. Suppose the angle is in the form of or multiple of pi by 2, angle n pi by 2 plus x ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ pi by 2 ಇನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, pi by 2 ಇನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ the sin function will changes into cos. Okay, sin will changes to cos, that is cos x. Pi by 2 minus x means that is in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant sin is positive, so the value is positive, that is plus cos x. Now come here, similarly we can write cos. Pi by 2 ಇನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ sin function ಇದ್ರೆ cos ಆಗ್ತದೆ, cos ಇದ್ರೆ that means here it will changes, so cos idre it will be sin x. Okay, pi ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಸುಲಭದಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 ಇನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ sin to cos or cos to sin. cos ಇದ್ರೆ sin ಆಗ್ತದೆ, pi by 2 minus x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ first quadrant. In the first quadrant cos is also positive, so sin is positive. See, pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x means it is in this here pi by 2, sorry, here it should be plus. Pi by 2 plus x means second quadrant. In the second quadrant sin is positive, okay. Multiple of pi by 2 idre function will changes into cos. Sin is positive in the second quadrant, so that is positive, okay. What about here? Cos will changes into sin. Cos pi by 2 plus x means second quadrant. Second quadrant alli cos is negative, so the value is minus sin x. Then sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x. Here, suppose the value is multiple of pi, andre 2 pi, 3 pi. Pi ya multiple allidre sin function will remain sin, cos will remain cos. Sin idadu sin e irtade, cos idadu cos e irtade. So, sin of pi minus x is sin x. What is the sin? Pi minus x is second quadrant. Second quadrant alli sin is positive, so here plus sin x. Cos pi minus x is cos x. What is the sin? Second quadrant alli cos is negative, so the value is minus cos x. Sin pi plus x. New quadrant yavudu, amele what is the sign of that quadrants? Trigonometric signs we have to remember properly, then you can write the formula, okay. No need to by heart this. Now what is sin pi plus x? Sin pi plus x means sin idadu sin e irtade, sin x, angle is x. Pi plus x means which quadrant? Pi plus x is the third quadrant. Third quadrant alli tan positive, that means both sin and cos are negative, so value is minus sin x. Here cos x, third quadrant, cos is negative, so minus cos x. What about here? Sin pi by 2 pi minus x. Pi ya multiple allidre, okay. Pi ya multiple allidre sin idadu sin e irtade. 2 pi minus x means which quadrant? 2 pi minus x means that is in fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant cos is positive, that means sin is negative, minus sin x. What about here? Cos x. Fourth quadrant cos is positive, so the value is cos x. Now try this too, that is sin 2 pi plus x and cos 2 pi plus x. Apply the formula and get the result. What is this? What is the value here? Okay, find the value of sin 2 pi plus x and cos 2 pi plus x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? sin 2 pi plus x ಅಂದರೆ sin x plus y, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos x plus y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿ expand ಮಾಡಿ, you will get the answer. Okay, hope you got this. Thank you.